maybe.
Field status variant.
OBC4, yes. उमर खड़ा हुआ है। उमर बेटा। ओके। Yes, go to the SAP. Okay, click on position 1678. Select it from the gray button. Click on gray button.
This one?
Left side of 1678.
Sorry, position again.
No, press the gray button. Left side of 1678. 1678, the number. Already selected, yellow.
Okay.
The gray button, yeah, this.
Yes, now click on
Gray.
copy
Okay.
button.
Okay. Then
Copy button, right side of this button, yes. Okay, now I think I should give up the remote control. Okay, now change it to 9191. 9191. And field status for 9191 we already discussed. We are going to use SAP standard screens. So we are copying SAP standard screens which has a SAP already created for us. 9191 field status for 9191. Okay, click on enter and then save button. Copy all. So 45 screens have been copied. Click on enter. Then click on save.
so new request.
Yeah, new 1 minute. Close this. We can check if you have the access. Open the mirror with request side, right side mirror. Right side of the yellow cell request. There is a
This one.
magnifying mirror. Yes. Check. You are already there. Click on this badge company. Badge company. Above. Badge company. Siraj 01 badge company. Double click on there. Below, one row above. Yeah, this one. Below modifiable. Below than this. Double click on this row. Right side. Click on badge company. Okay. Double click on left hand side. A4. Okay, now it came up. Now every time this will come up. Click on enter.
Okay.
Okay. Enter. Okay, it is done. Now we will go to OBC5/N OBC5.
Slash. This. So SM12, right?
Mustafa 01 is there. Click on no.
Next.
SM12. No need for slash because we on main page of SAP. Simple SM12. Remove your username and write down star. Click on search. Oh my God, this guy has opened so many things. So what we do, you will select the first line from the gray button. Now press shift button and the last line. Okay, now click on delete. Yes. Delete. Now write down slash n obc5. Okay, here position 9191. Nine one nine one. Click on position. Write down here 9191.
Save.
Then click on save.
Enter, right? Continue.
Click on enter.
Save.
Okay. Now next. Go to the notes. अच्छा उसने तो हमें एक ही बताया. क्या हाँ मैं उसको कहा वीडियोस बनाकर भेजो मैं भेज देता हूँ सब बकरे बकरी.
तो वो घर तो कहा तो है भी नहीं, कैसे संभाले? घर भेजेंगे, साहिवाल भेजेंगे।
पहले वीडियोस तो आ जाए पहले वीडियोस आगे भेजूंगा. किसको क्या देना है.
सही।
Assign company code to field status variant OBC5.
You already.
सर
We
सर
have
बस
already
एक
done this step.
Yes.
एक क्वेरी है मेरी।
हम्म
ये सब हम जो कर रहे हैं मतलब ये हम सही है, वी आर फॉलोइंग द नोट्स, बट किस चीज की क्या सिग्निफिकेंट इम्पोर्टेंस है, क्या है, एंड व्हाई वी आर डूइंग इट, व्हाट इज द कनेक्शन बिटवीन ऑल दीज थिंग्स। सर ये अगर साथ साथ गाइड कर देंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि हमें एक्चुअली लास्ट क्लास से भी यही प्रॉब्लम आया था, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है। और अब
Okay,
अभी
see.
ये
Uh,
मतलब
uh,
इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है, हम ये कर क्यों रहे एग्जैक्टली? कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प अस
okay.
विद
So
दिस?
first of all, what we are doing, we are implementing SAP financial accounting and controlling modules. Two things. Right now, we are in SAP financial accounting module. The first step is journal ledger configuration. So we are doing journal ledger configurations. Under journal
अंडरस्टूड। ओके।
configurations, first thing what we did is creation of the company code.
हम्म।
The next thing we did creation of the chart of accounts. After this, we went and we select what will be our debit and credit limits. We said no. After that, we went and we created the how much amounts we can post in journal ledger account, open items, accounts receivable and payable, and how much will be permitted payment difference. After that step, we created SAP fields like while creating a general ledger entry screen or customer invoice screens. You want to use your own personal screens or you want to use SAP standard screens. So we said we will be using SAP standard screens. Now in this step, what we did, we choose the SAP standard screens and assign with our company code, which is 9191. As I said in the start, whatever we will be doing in this class, we will be attaching everything with the company code. So same we are doing. First, we attach chart of accounts. Then we attach the retained earning account. Then we attached OBD for account groups. Then we attached our tolerance group. And now we are attaching our field status variant. So same way in the future also, whatever we will be doing, we will be attaching. Now it's clear.
सर लेकिन
Whatever
अगर ये
topic I will
अगर
be
अगर ये
going. Mm-hmm.
like if you can do it accordingly मतलब what topic we are covering just if you can explain the significant importance
I am
at the
telling the
same time.
significance importance.
No,
Whatever the
like
topic I am
along
going,
what we are doing and the like when we are doing anything like assigning company
for
code,
example,
okay, why we are doing it.
go up. If Hishanti, you can go up one more topic about 1.8. Yes, bus here. So this is the field status variant, and I said that we will be using the SAP standard screens. That's it. So either you need to use your own screens or you want to use your SAP standard screens. So we have to use SAP standard screens. That's it. This is what 1.8. Clear?
Okay, one more thing, sir. Like we are using the default settings what are created, but we'll be taught later that how to create one, or we'll be
No, you
following the
can't
same.
create. Okay, you can't create SAP standard screens. If you want to create, you should have SAP ABAP consultant, ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming Language. It is a separate module which is being covered by those students who have done bachelor in SAP software engineering module. Okay. And in my
Okay.
last 10 years, I have never seen a person or a company who is using SAP their own screens. Everybody is using SAP standard screens.
No,
If you will be,
not this standard screen, sir. I'm talking about the one which like we are covering the data we copied and pasted in my numbers. Remember
then no
that?
need to copy the data. For example, we went into the company code.
Hmm.
Okay, there we copied the data from 1678. No need to copy the data. What you can do, you can write down your own company code like we wrote 9191. If we are doing the copy data does not mean that this is for you. Either you want to use the same thing or you can write down your own thing. This is the things. With new entries, the difference is that you will find the form blank. With copy fields, you will find something already filled and accepted by SAP. And now you can replace them with whatever you want. This is how we are going with copy. Why we are going with copy field? Because right now you guys are beginners. You don't know what to fill. That is why I'm taking you with copy field so that whenever you go and work as an SAP consultant and first day or first
Hmm.
month you are so much confused, maybe you can lose your job, how you can do the thing. So the best way is copy field. That is why I'm asking you click on copy so that if ever you get a job of SAP consultant, it will be very easy for you to complete the project. Now, if I say how to start and how to end the SAP project. So this is the SAP
Hmm.
standard book. It will always be with you. So you can open the index and start implementing the complete SAP project. Okay.
May I ask a question?
Mm-hmm.
So in this server there is this standard thing already जो इसमें है already. Suppose हम किसी दूसरी कंपनी में जाते हैं and there we have to
Wherever you
implement.
go, wherever you go, you will find some company codes always be there because you are using SAP. So 0001 will always be there. 1,000 will always be there, 1,700 will always be there, and 2,505 will always be there. Now it is your choice. If you want to use those screens or those company settings, or you want to use your own things. But
Okay.
this will come, like for example, you want to use your own things. So best, first of all, better become an expert, and then you can use your own things. And if you cannot use your own things, then SAP has already created their own things. In this client 400, this client 400 is very expensive client. This access is expensive, and it has a successful implemented companies. You can use their settings and you can create your own company. Now, whenever we are working as an SAP consultant or Oracle consultant, we have already implemented companies. Like for example, we have 1678. What consultants do? They ask the blueprints from the clients, they filled it up, they take the company 1678 and copy and implement it in full. And then they just replace 1678 with 9191. I have not taken that path. Some consultants are taking that path to teach, and then there is no need to do an implementation here. But we in this class we are taking the long route so that you people can see whatever the things we need to do. One thing more I can do for you guys here. Before we are going to finish every topic, I will ask you if you have any questions. We can answer those questions, and then we can start the next topic. Okay, Ji. So
Okay.
1.8 topic was whether you
Mm-hmm.
want to use SAP standard screen or your own screen. So we want to use SAP standard screens. That is why we are doing this part. 1.9 is attach SAP screens to your own company code. Now 1.10. Fiscal year variant. Now what is this fiscal year? Fiscal year means the year in which you will be posting your accounting entries. Okay, so there are two kinds of fiscal years in SAP. One is K4. K4 is a year which is started from January and ending on December. And V3 is your own year, which can be started in India like April to March, and in Pakistan it is starting from July to June. That can be V3, and
V6.
many people are creating their own. Okay, so SAP recommends either use K4 or V3.
Which is
Okay, so we are in UAE.
Pakistan, it is V6, eh?
It is not necessary, it is V6 or whatever. But under SAP books, there are only two codes coming from SAP, which is K4 and V3. After
Okay.
this, you can create your own, but SAP standards are only two, K4 and V3. So we are in UAE, we follow America, and America is using K4, so same UAE is following K4. So we will go into this T code. The T code is written in this yellow message, OB29. So you will go to OB29. क्या कर रहे हो? Okay, in OB29, no need to do anything. Just write down K4 because it has already been created, and it is change the
this
name. K4, somebody make the name April to March. It is Jan to December. Write it down, Jan to December in description. Okay, then the next thing is whether it is a calendar year or year dependent. It is a calendar year. Number of posting periods in 1 year is 12, which is 12 months.
nonsense.
And number of special period means that your audit period. So we call our audit period around 4 months. Okay.
Quarterly, okay.
What is
But
year
if
dependent?
year dependent means that if your year is not starting from January, this is year dependent.
Okay.
So first thing, which is 12 number of posting periods, these are monthly dependent. For example, right now we in October, so it is 10. And number of special periods for these are not monthly dependent. Your audit period can be prolonged, but you can use 4 to post the entry, 3 to post the entry, 2 to post the entry, means to say that they are not monthly dependent. Okay, that's it. So click on save.
That's it, right? There's no need
That's
to
it.
tick
No,
here
no,
fiscal
no, no,
weeks.
no, no need for all other things. The other things are optional.
Okay, so
Yes, save, enter. Okay, ji. Okay, guys, this topic is finished. Do you have any question here? Why we do this thing fiscal year? I hope you all know because we all work in accounts and finance. Now, one more thing
Yes.
here. In the last row, Haishanti, click on this right arrow, which is above the time. Below, above your time. Your battery is also expiring. You can be out from the class anytime. You can
okay,
plug in the charger also. Above time, you will find a right arrow towards right side, sorry, left side, yes. Click on this. Click on A4H drop down arrow. Yes, A4H drop down arrow. Now click on transaction OB29. Okay. Now we need to go to the next T code, which is OB37 slash and OB37. Enter. Okay, this is OB37. What we need to do here? We need to assign the company code to our fiscal year variant. Okay, ji. So we choose for K4. So now we will assign K4 to our company code, which is 9191. Click on position. 9191. Enter. Write down here K4. Choose it. Click on save. Enter. Okay, so this topic is finished. Guys, do you have any question here?
No, no. Thank you.
for me, Mr. Kale,
Yes.
I just want to get a basic idea that a company code is basically a database, or it is kind of a that the structure of that you are saying that there's client 400 that we are working, that we are getting the clouds, right? The system. So which means that in this client we have a lot of companies under this client, so we have to log in based on that.
I can't understand your question, but the sense I'm understanding, this access is
Yeah.
known as IDES, Internet Demo and Evaluation System. For example, some person has got a license, which is around $10 million. He
Okay.
opened a company, he got a license. Now he is selling the accesses. So same way, we got an access, he created a username for us. So under this access, there can be many companies, many users like us. One person can be creating 10 companies, 100 companies. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But it is a genuine access because he has the license. Okay. And click on slash and I will show you something because in R3 I was teaching SAP HCM module /n. Just write down /n. We can go to the first cell. So here you will be finding out many companies, but when you will be working in your own company, you will be having only one company code or few company codes like sister company codes. Now here you can click on system. Below is the status.
Okay.
So just look here, it is under client 400. I have told you guys client 400 is the best client under SAP, where you will be having the standard SAP implemented companies will be there. Under 800, access can be cheaper, but there will be no SAP successful company will be there. So if there will be no company will be there, there will be many problems there. Then your username is there, Ishanti 001, language is there, and license is expiring on 31st December 9999 in SAP system data, which shows that they have unlimited access. Okay, which shows
Yes.
them that they have put a lot of money in it. And SAP system is operating on Linux environment, not
Okay.
Windows. All bigger companies systems are working on Linux. And this is server name is S4HANA 2023 version, which is the latest version. And under the scheme, we are using SAP HANA database. Before in R3, we will be using Oracle language C++, but now SAP has their own language in S4 HANA. So we are using SAP HANA database. Click on OK.
Okay. So which we are going for the new implementation like in configuration, which means it is that only that's they have to take the license and all the purchasing from the SAP and the new database will be there only, right?
Yes, and
Yes.
plus, like we created some, like I have given you access, everyone. Okay,
Yes.
so you will be having an access same way if we are working as a consultant. We will be
Yes.
having an access also there. Mm, Okay, let me show you one more thing how consultants work. Like, for example, when we are working as a consultant, so what we do, rather than going all this long path, nobody is going with this path. The simple way is that you can copy all these settings, and then later on you can go inside and then just change some settings, and then the whole company will get implemented. But yes, they are writing that full all data. They are saying that no, we need to create this and that. But in normal way, no, they are not going to create all everything, because all data is in SAP. It can be copied to a new company code, and then yes, you
Yes.
can change the name to the new company code. SAP system is hanging.
Which means there is standard configuration that you can copy totally full
Yeah,
for a
I think SAP
custom.
Business One also you people are copying the standard configuration.
Yeah, yeah. But normally it is not. We are not using that because based on the customer requirements and all, we are doing changes and all to
Yeah,
the
because
configuration.
in my IHC we were having 961 companies. So our SAP Business One consultant guy was doing the same thing. He was copying from the previous company because he was so swift. In two, three
Yes,
days
we
he
can.
was
We have that
the
options in
company
SAP
is
Business
ready.
One.
Yeah. I think you are sitting far away from internet.
Mm. I'm not audible.
You are audible, but SAP is hanged. Your SAP is hanged. It can be hanged if you are sitting far from internet speed is down.
Close the screen and log in again. Sorry, Mr. Kalim, can you go to this? Hello.
Okay, now, okay, I will show you this next. I will show the next person how you can copy the whole data, and then no need to do all this implementation. Regina, handle over. Maybe go out and play. I will come to you for after 4 minutes. Am I audible, guys? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Mr.
Shanti, what is the next T code? After fiscal year variant OB29, we finished OB37, 1.11 is finished. The next topic.
Open posting periods. This 1.12.
1.12, 1 minute above. Go to the yellow color message. O double B.
OBB.
Now we are going to create variant. Go to the SAP variant. What is variant? Okay, ji. Variant is connector. For example, I am connecting my projector with my computer so that everybody can see. Okay. So this is connector. Now what this connector will do, this variant will do. This variant will be connecting my months, my year with the company code. Okay, ji. That is why we are creating variant. Click on new entries. So now we can see how the new entries seems. New entries form will be blank. We can write it down 9191.
Company name.
You can write down variant for 9191.
Save. Save,
Save,
right?
save. Okay, guys, so variant topic is clear. That what does variant means? Variant means a connector which will connect your months with the year. Okay, fine. So now we have created this. Then we can go to /NOBBP, P for parrot.
O
Double
double
B,
B E.
P for parrot.
Okay.
Enter. Okay, click this guy also out. Pankaj 123, SM12. Only one guy is there. Click on delete. Okay, now we can go to OBBP. This is OBBP. Click on below
Yes.
again. A4H1400. The last row above the time. Okay, it is the last minute. We will proceed with the new guy after 5 to 10 minute break. This topic. Under this, what we need to do, we will be attaching this variant which we are going to create now, 9191 with our company code. And then after this steps, we will attach this variant with our months. because company code has already been connected with our fiscal year K4. So company code, if it has been attached with your fiscal year, it cannot be attached with the month because it has been attached in the highest entity. Write down 9191 and then click on save.